Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can find out what the maximum storage size of your Lucidchart account is. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to Lucidchart, log into your account, and now let's say you would like to find out how many documents and diagrams you can still store in your storage, or to be more precise here, with which file size. So let's assume, for example, you have a diagram like this. You may check the file size of each document by clicking into these three dots here, by selecting File Information, by navigating to Show Details. So here you will see the size of the given document. Now the file size of the document may vary, of course, depending on on the amount or intensity of the edits you have or content you have added to the given diagram. So if you'd like to find out how much space in your storage you still have, you'll need to access your account settings by clicking into your profile icon, top right, select account settings. Here, navigate to user settings on the left, or you can stay even in the overview if you like, and you will see the storage size here to the left under storage, which in my case is 0% out of 250 MB used. So I would still have that space here left or unused. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.